If you're searching for a gaming keyboard that delivers sharp precision and a satisfying tactile experience, the Razer Green mechanical switch keyboard stands out. Designed with gamers in mind, its signature mechanical switches offer a crisp, clicky feedback that makes every keystroke feel deliberate and responsive. The Razer Green switches require 50 grams of actuation force, striking the perfect balance between responsiveness and control. This means each keypress registers exactly when you want it to, minimizing errors during intense gaming moments or fast typing sessions. Beyond the switches, this keyboard embraces customization with Razer Chroma lighting. It syncs seamlessly with over 30 partners including Philips Hue and popular game titles, allowing you to personalize every key with 16.8 million colors. This level of immersion enhances your gaming environment and adds a unique visual flair. One feature that sets this keyboard apart is its tenkeyless, compact form factor. Without the number pad, it frees up valuable desk space, making it easier to position your keyboard exactly where you want it. This is especially beneficial for gamers who rely on large mousepads and require plenty of room for swift, precise movements. Razer HyperShift technology takes customization even further by letting you remap every key and key combination. You can assign complex macros or commands to a single keystroke, giving you an edge in gameplay and productivity without juggling multiple buttons. Durability is built into every detail. The keyboard's military-grade metal top plate ensures a solid, premium feel while supporting up to 80 million keystrokes. This means it's ready to withstand long gaming marathons and daily use without losing its performance or tactile quality. User reviews from across the United States highlight how this keyboard transforms the gaming experience. One player described it as a creamy clicky wonderland, praising the perfect amount of key travel that prevents typos even during fast-paced gameplay. The same gamer emphasized how the keyboard's size is ideal for those who prefer a minimalist setup. Without a number pad, it leaves ample room for a large mouse pad, essential for players using low DPI settings who need plenty of space for sweeping mouse movements. Quality materials make a noticeable difference. This keyboard feels heavy and robust, unlike some competitors that feel flimsy or cheap. The sturdy construction not only improves durability but also gives users confidence that their investment will last. Comparisons to other brands highlight the Razer Green switch keyboard's superior performance. Unlike linear switches that can lead to accidental key presses, the tactile feedback here helps avoid fat fingering critical commands during intense moments, making you feel more like a pro than a bot. The audible click is loud but purposeful. It's a satisfying sound that confirms each input without being distracting. For gamers who enjoy audible feedback, this feature enhances the overall typing and gaming experience. If you're someone who demands precision, durability, and customization from your keyboard, the Razer Green mechanical switch keyboard delivers on all fronts. Its compact design, immersive lighting, and programmable keys combine to create a versatile tool that adapts to your style. Worth a look if you want a keyboard that doesn't just perform but also feels and looks premium. The seamless integration with Razer Chroma and partner devices means your setup stays vibrant and in sync with your gameplay. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your gear. This keyboard offers more than just functionality. It brings confidence and control to every keystroke, helping you stay sharp whether you're gaming or working. In a crowded market, this keyboard stands out by blending tactile precision with robust build quality. The military-grade metal top plate and 80 million click lifespan prove it's built to last through countless gaming sessions. The tenkeyless design isn't just about saving space, it's about optimizing your setup for performance. By freeing up desk real estate, it allows for smoother mouse movement and better ergonomics, which can improve your overall gameplay. Razer Hypershift's macro capabilities mean you can customize your keyboard to fit your unique playstyle. Complex commands become simple key presses, giving you an advantage without adding complexity to your hand movements. With its satisfying clicks, durable construction, and full customization, the Razer Green mechanical switch keyboard offers a compelling choice for gamers who want precision and style. It's a tool that doesn't just keep up, it elevates your game. If that's you, this keyboard is worth serious consideration. It combines everything you need for a high-performance setup, wrapped in a sleek, compact design that fits perfectly on any desk.